Good morning. We're doing a weekly look at the cable market, and you can see on Friday we had a really strong day. We managed to break up near enough towards that 38.2 located at 31.87. Our high last week was 31.74, so we fell a little bit shy of it. Now at the moment we're holding on to the weekly pivot at 130.83, and the market's looking, quite good. And we want to break above this area here, the 131.87, and then we can go up and test this trend line that's coming in this week. It's coming in at 133.65. Now you can also see the 200 week moving average, which is a bit far away, but we've still got to mention it. That's coming in at 134.85. So all to play for. We need to stay above here. We need to break this area here, and then we can keep going higher to around this resistance area. If you look at the weekly stochastics, they're poised to go higher, as is the ROC. The RSI isn't doing much at the moment, but we'll take a look at the weekly chart, the daily chart now. Now the daily chart, we are oscillating around the daily pivot, which is at 131.13. We're trading roughly 131.24. So we are just above that area. We need to take out, it's the same sort of thing. We do need to take out all these resistance tops here. You can see that on the daily chart we're quite overbought. We're not overbought on anything else except the stochastics. So really we're looking at FTSE. We're seeing whether that's going to come lower. If we do start to crash on FTSE, then obviously that's going to give cable a more of a bounce than what it's seen already. So I think still we're in the buy dip scenario. We are above this. Remember, we talked about this descending wedge pattern, and Friday we broke up. Now descending wedges are bullish, and we said if we broke this pattern, our target would be 134.20. So if you look across, you can see that the high over here has been 133.74. So that's what we're aiming for. Mix the daily levels with the weekly levels, and at the moment still at the daily pivot we've got the 55-day moving average coming in at 131. So as I said, all to play for. I think sterling goes higher, but I do appreciate that at the moment it's got a lot of work to do on the top side. Downside, now it really does all depend if we can take out yesterday's low, and yesterday's low was 130.83. If we can't hold on to that, we're going to come back and we're going to test the top of that descending wedge pattern, and that is coming in today at 130.65. We know we've got support at 130.20. We've got two moving averages, both converging, the 9 and the 21 moving average, and they're coming in at 130.20, 130.23. So I would be looking to buy down there and putting stops below the 200-day moving average, which is coming in around this area. Okay, good luck, and I will catch you all today.